Unlocking creativity. Put your thinking caps on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase. Put your thinking caps on. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such expressions can really add flair to your English. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this intriguing phrase. The phrase, "put your thinking caps on," is a metaphorical expression used to encourage people to think deeply or creatively about a problem or challenge. It's like saying, it's time to think hard and come up with ideas or solutions. Imagine wearing a special cap that helps you focus and generate brilliant thoughts. That's the essence of this expression. It's often used in educational settings, brainstorming sessions, or when facing a problem that requires extra effort to solve. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can make them easier to remember. The concept of a thinking cap dates back to the 19th century and earlier, with variations appearing in literature and folklore. Initially, it was imagined as a literal cap that could somehow increase intelligence or creativity when worn. Over time, it evolved into the figurative expression we use today, symbolizing the act of preparing oneself mentally for a task requiring ingenuity and problem-solving. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate "put your thinking caps on" into your own conversations and writing. Here are a few examples. Before tackling the difficult parts of the project, the team leader said, "Let's all put our thinking caps on and brainstorm some innovative solutions." In a classroom setting, a teacher might announce, "Okay, class, put your thinking caps on. It's time to solve some challenging math problems." When faced with a tricky situation at home, a parent might say to their child, "We need to figure out how to fix this. Let's put our thinking caps on together." It's helpful to know similar expressions so you can vary your language and better understand conversations. Other phrases that convey a similar meaning include, "Time to put on your thinking hat," "Let's brainstorm," "Think outside the box." Each of these expressions encourages creativity, problem-solving, and the generation of new ideas. And that's a wrap on "Put Your Thinking Caps On." We hope this exploration has not only clarified the meaning and usage of this phrase but also inspired you to think more creatively in your daily life and language learning journey. Remember, English is full of colorful expressions that can add depth and personality to your communication. Stay curious, and don't hesitate to put your thinking cap on whenever you encounter a new challenge. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.